This is a simple trick that you can do in order to send traffic to your affiliate link in Amazon. So as you can see, this is just one example of our Amazon account. And we all know that Amazon won't give that much percentage of affiliate commission, although we made this 4,986 revenue for this period, and you will see the categories right here where we get our sale. Now, one traffic source that I'm using to send affiliate traffic here is Reddit. So this is a good way to create your contents and attract traffic. As you can see, one of my subreddits right here, it's receiving 1.2K increase in the past 30 days because I am automating the content. So you see right here, I've got a bunch of subreddits. And the way you create subreddits without getting banned, the secret is in the description below. You just watch that video so that you can create your account in Reddit that won't get banned. Again, just a reminder, don't abuse it. So here, I'm going to show you how I am automating the contents, because if you don't have time, you cannot create contents manually. So you can do this option by automating it using any type of automating platform. One example is this Active Pieces. So here, what you just gonna need to do, first, you get keywords from your Google Sheets. So for example, I am going to create a blank Google spreadsheet. I'm just gonna name it as Best Cooker, for example. Here, I'm just gonna put column name for this first column as keyword, and then this one will be the status. So we will need the status to create our automation smoothly. Now, for keywords, you can use any type of keyword tool. I recommend using SEMrush because it has a free trial. You can check the link in the description below. You see right here, I put the URL of one of the subreddits that I showed you, Best Cooker. And for the past month, we have an increase of 91 keywords and 117 traffic. So if you take a look at the keywords that are ranking, so you will see right here, we've got some keywords that are ranking in the top 5 results of Google. This is a good way to get organic traffic. So if you want to automate things and get more traffic, you can follow this approach. Just comment down below if you want this free template. I am using Article AI Generator. As you can see here, I've set up the parameters to create my article automatically. So here, I am sending them to this page right here in my website. Do not create directly the affiliate link in your Reddit content. You might get banned. So that's why I am redirecting this to my website right here. So when you check this, open in a new link, here, I am using a redirect, and we'll forward that to the redirection that I set up here in Pour, shorten URL right here. The important thing is you add consistent contents like this using an automation. So if you use this Article AI Generator, it has this automation function that you can apply in any automation tool that you need. For example, I'm using Active Pieces. So here, look at this third step. Because the first step will be the schedule of your automation. I'm going to run this automation so you will see how content got created. This one, we will get the keywords from the first step right here, the previous step right here. So you can see here, I'm getting the keyword value. So if you see find rows, and then here the values will be the first keyword right here. Now in the filter where you get the keywords, so as I mentioned to you, so select the spreadsheet where you want to populate your keywords. In the example that I showed you, this is Best Cooker right here. So that's where we're going to get our keyword. Now the option will be the selection of sheet number 1. So it's always sheet 1 because you're just using the single sheet here. And here, what we need to filter is the status column and get all those fun keywords at the time with the pending status of. So as you can see right here, number of rows to be returned, just 1. So now, going to the second step, which is the generation of the article, we will pass that keyword right here. And we have these parameters right here. So you just populate your username. So placement is how frequent you want your link to appear. So every 2 paragraph, my link, this one that I set up in ads link. So you just simply put a text just like this. Then this will contain your redirect or whatever affiliate link you're trying to promote. In my case, it's the Amazon search result of the Best Cooker. Now the secret key, it's all written here in your Article AI Generator account. So if you have credits here, you can do that. It will automatically create an SEO-friendly article for you. So I'm going to show you one example, for example, this one. Best cooking oil for cast iron. So if you check that, you see right here, we've got this SEO-friendly article that's written for you. That's why it is ranking on Google. It's not only ranking on Google because we posted this on Reddit, but we have it, this helpful article, again, SEO friendly. And this is the check pricing right here. You can see it's appearing every 2 paragraphs. It depends how frequent you want in the placement. So you have the option here, the placement to be placed just after the content, or every 2 paragraphs, every 4 paragraphs, or every 8 paragraphs. So for Reddit, just a reminder guys, you don't need to render an HTML because on Reddit, you just have to simply put your link just like how I did this in ActivePieces. So just simply as this, so add some label right here. In my case, I just put check details and then directly my link. And here you can see show ads link, yes, article type review, secret key. So you just need to correct your secret key. Let's correct that. So copy this and paste it right here. So this setup is now correct. So your username, your placement. And now here in the next step, after you generate article, this is how you can easily post on Reddit. So this next step right here is using the service of CircuitAI.online. This is to help you automate your Reddit post. So you can add your Reddit credentials here. So you just click add credentials and you scroll down right here. There is this Reddit subreddit automation helper. You just need to put this in here in this step, in this fourth step. So you can see, just follow everything that's mentioned here. You need to add headers, which is the content type, and this value, which we added. As you can see, we added headers and then the value, the key and then the value. Now here going down, we will need to add body type, as also mentioned here so you don't get confused. Body parameters. So here you just need to mention your CircuitAI username, which you can see right here, and you go to credentials. You will be able to add here your platform such as WordPress, Reddit, or Medium. So in my case, we're adding the Reddit, and we will be using this identifier, which you need to populate right here. Identifier, so the CircuitAI.online website will know which account you're going to post. So this is the one for Reddit. Now post title, it's coming from Article AI Generator. Post content, again the generated article here, and that's it. It will get posted to your Reddit. If you want, you can try this. We will be trying this to post one content. So you can see here subreddit. Of course, you will need to mention the name of your subreddit. So in our case, this one, Best Cooker. That's the name of our subreddit right here. So you copy exactly the name of your subreddit and paste that in this subreddit right here. So again, guys, if you need this template, if you don't want to create from scratch, anyway, it's very easy to create. So if you're familiar creating workflow in any automation platform, then it's easy for you. Otherwise, just comment and I will send you the link to download this free template. So the last step here is basically just updating the status of the keyword here to done. So here again, make sure you select your correct spreadsheet. So this is the Best Cooker, and the sheet is always sheet number 1 and rule number. So it's asking you which keyword did you get, which rule number did you get the keyword. So it's from here. So you just populate this one. This is the rule number. So you just select that and it will add a value here dynamically, and which here you will see it will load the header of your spreadsheet. So we type in keyword and status. So we want to update the status to done. That means the next time automation runs, it goes to the next keyword. Now, if you're satisfied in this automation, so you can publish this and set the schedule to create contents every day, once a day, twice a day. So it's up to you how frequent you want new content in your subreddit right here. So again, I'm creating multiple subreddits here, depends on the niche. So, or the product that I want to promote. So this one, I'm promoting the Best Cooker appliances from Amazon. This is one source of traffic where I get my affiliate commissions. So let's try automating one content right here. So in order for you to get topics, you can use, again, any keyword tool you're familiar. So in my case, I'm going to Keyword Magic Tool using SEMrush, and I'm going to type, let's say, Best Cooker. So here you will see products or topics that you can create articles. So here you can do this one. Best way to cook corn on the cob. That's one great keyword right there. So you can copy this. So you can put as many keywords as you want. I suggest you put hundreds or even 200 keywords here and then automate them. So we copy this keyword right here, set the status to pending. And then here we're going to try to run the automation. So make sure everything is set correctly, otherwise it will produce an error. Now let's click this test workflow. So as you can see, we are now in the third step. It's generating the article. And article generation is completed. It got posted now to our subreddit and updated the role. So we should see here, you can see here, it's got updated to done. Now let's refresh our subreddit. It should have the new post right here. There you go, guys. That's our new post, best way to cook corn on the cob. So when you check this, and this is our beautiful SEO friendly article right here. And you can see right here, we've got our link, check details. So that's how simple you can create your article. It's convenient to use this automation tool, ActivePieces. So it's free, it's flexible. If you need more operations, you can buy just for $1 extra 1,000 operations. But I think if you're just automating twice a day or twice a day, 1,000 operations will be enough for you. If you, again, want this template, I'm going to link that. You could comment down below. I'm going to send it. I don't want to just put the download link if is not interested to set up. But if you want, just comment that you want the template and I'll reply with the link. That's about it, guys. So hope you learned something and see you on the next one.